How to add Instagram Reels back on profile grid. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Instagram Reels back on profile grid. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up your Instagram app and go to your profile. So to go to your profile, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here. And then once you are on your profile, first here I'm gonna remove a reel from my profile grid and then show you how to put it back on profile grid. So let me remove a reel. So I have removed that reel from my profile grid. Now to add that reel back on profile grid, go to Reels section, then open the reel, and here you will see these three dots in the bottom right side. Tap on it, then tap on manage, and then here tap on add to profile grid. And if this option isn't showing for you, what you have to do is you have to go to your Instagram's app info. So to go to your Instagram's app info on Android phone, you have to press and hold the Instagram icon, then tap on this eye icon, then tap on internal storage, and you have to clear the cache. After you clear the cache, you will see the option to add that reel back on profile grid like this. So this is how you can add Instagram Reels back on your profile grid. Thanks for watching.